Welcome back to Latest Tech. In today's video, I will use just few minutes to show you how you can add reset the Gionee GN5001S. That is GN5001S. The first thing you have to do before you add reset this device is this. But before I resume or continue, this is Latest Tech. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, because when you do, it will help you to stay updated each time we drop a new video like this. So back to the content of today. To add reset the Gionee GN5001S, the first thing you have to do is to power off the device. Switch it off. That is the first thing you have to do. Wait for it to completely turn off. When it completely turns off, just like what is on your screen right now, the next thing you have to do is to press the volume up key and the power key for few seconds. Press the two key, volume up key and the power button for few seconds, so it can take you to the recovery menu. As you can see, we are in the recovery menu, all thanks to the volume up key and the power key pressed together. So the next thing you have to do in order to add reset your Gionee GN5001S is to use your volume down key to navigate or to go to wipe data stroke factory reset. But before you click on wipe data stroke factory reset, the first thing you have to do is to first of all wipe the cache partition. After taking or using your volume down key to take you to wipe cache partition, use the power key because it serves as the select button. As you can see, I have successfully wiped the cache partition. So the next thing you have to do is just as I shown you earlier, or I directed you earlier to do, use the volume down key to return to or to go to wipe data stroke factory reset. When you land at wipe data stroke factory reset, use your power key to select. When you select, it will then ask you add reset, yes or no. Click on yes, and automatically the device will start to add reset in few seconds. And with that, your forgotten password, pattern, pin, face lock, etc., even fingerprint will all be unlocked, and your phone will be back without a password on the device. If you have any question, use the comment section of this video to drop it, and we will be glad to reply in few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Latest Tech. Check out the next video.